Bro, I was so fucking scared. Hey, GNC fucking saved. GNC saved the day. Oh, look at that. Oh my God.